One new AI capability that we're rolling out in the next 6 months that I believe is going to fundamentally change how maintenance teams work is Copilot for reporting. And so traditionally, all of this really, really valuable, incredible data is, sitting there ready for customers to gain value from. But traditional reporting capabilities, being able to even build your own custom reports, can be challenging because you need to understand how to construct those reports and then actually get that information out so that you can learn from that data and make those improvements. And what we've rolled out, we're starting to get into the hands of some of our first customers, is the ability to put natural language questions directly into our custom reporting engine, and it will automatically generate these reports for you. So it's taking all of that fear and that heavy lifting out of actually getting your hands onto the data and the insights that you need to continuously improve your business. We're so excited about this and so excited for you all to get your hands on it.